Okay. Oh, the other one taken out, the other one put in. So I'll just get a rubber surround for the other one. I think it was a JBL for another speaker actually. There's another JBL. Seconds. Okay. See what I mean? That's still. Just got to get these tightened up just a little bit, and then it'll hold, and then I'll just tighten secure. Bit nervous about doing this. I don't like I don't like heights. I don't mind height surrounds or overhead sound or height sound. I just don't like heights. I like below surround because that's where my feet are. You know, gravity's holding me down, but gravity's pushing at me, and I'm only okay. That's, you know, that's in place now. I've just got to put the other screws in. Allen key, they're Allen key type. Now these Control 5s, or the Control series, or I'm not sure of all the controls. I think nearly all the Control series, but these Control 5s have been pretty good for overhead. A speaker is a speaker, but then hey, you know, they're pretty good. I hope that bass driver was okay, because I got the bloody what's it? It looks a little crooked or something, but I think I picked the wrong time to do something like that a few years ago. I think I did it on I think it was Halloween a few years ago. It wasn't last year. Might have been the year before. Okay, that's in. Oh, I'll just put the steps over. Oh gosh. Oops. Okay, I'll just check with the just mute that. Okay, mute that one there. Okay. Yeah, that's better. You still get even in this position. Give it a no on. But I got that sussed out. I might have to rewire or the JBL Control SB2s that are at the back, because they're dual voice coil. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still got few other subs that I could probably augment the bass where I know it's and reinforce it, but yeah, seems to be okay. It's not making any what's the word, scraping. It's not making any scraping noise. Go right down to 28 hertz, and I can feel it. Take that, wash it off. Yeah, I could feel 28 there, but it's not what I would call, you know, there might be a very small pressure change in, you know, like, oh yeah, there's something there, right? Oh yeah, just turn the what's it? I can sense 28 hertz. Turning the sine wave generator on or off, I can detect it. Are we on DVA or DVC? DVC. About 36 dB with a bit of background sound. Okay, let's turn the generator on. Yeah, about 40. Yeah, it goes up a little bit, yeah. Just scroll up the frequency. Going manually through the sine wave. So I just got the mouse pressing down on the. That's okay. I didn't think it would work. But it's been sort of, you know, running the REM into the. That's kind of been sort of in the back of my mind, because everyone's testing their sub bass speaker with it, and well, now you know. Anyway,